Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a new introduction for you guys, and this time I'm going to do a rolling 5 pan. A lot of people are doing these types of products, either 10 pans or 5 pans, some of them rolling, some of them with a final date or a set amount of numbers that they want to work through, but I'm going for a rolling 5 pan this time. Basically what this means, in this project I will be working on 5 products at a time. When I finish one off, I might, or I will, roll something new in. This project will very likely be like products that you might have already seen in another project. They're close to being done, but they're not fully done yet, so I can easily roll them in here, and that will make sure I can keep things moving hopefully in this project as well. And I will have some more face or skincare type products in here as well, because it's always good to focus on those as well, of course. And normally my projects are strictly makeup unless I really cannot like find something else. But I thought for this project I do a little bit of a combination, but I'll definitely try to keep some makeup in here as well. So let's take a look at the products, shall we? Okay, let's start with the makeup products. I will be working on 2 in here, and you probably will recognize these, like I said, products that are running out but are not fully done yet, coming from previous products I might be putting in here. And I did this with both of these at the moment. This is a DA Fluid Lip Color, and I'm really close on finishing this one. Well, really close. There still is quite a bit of product in here. I took the stopper out, and then you're always surprised by how much is still in there. But yeah, I've decided to put this in here so I can keep working on it, but I don't have to keep putting it in other projects with deadlines and then finish it off within like 1 or 2 weeks. I will have a little bit more time to work on those other products. And then also the same goes for this Shadow Insurance from Too Faced. I'm really close to finishing this one off. I'm like really up here. But like always with these eyeshadow bases, they take forever, especially the last bit. It just feels like somebody keeps refilling it when you're sleeping or something. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna keep working on that one, and hopefully I will be able to finish that one off soon as well. Then I've got 3 face products this time, and 2 of them are Lush actually. The first one is this Let the Good Times Roll, and this is a face and body cleanser. I mainly use it for my face. It has a little bit of scrub in there. There isn't too much left in here anymore. I'd say I'm about here right now with the white part. I'm not gonna mark this one just because you can bring these back to Lush. I don't want them to like not take them back because I've been marking on it or something. I really love this product. I've been repurchasing it loads of times already. It smells like cookie dough. It's like you're rubbing cookie dough on your face. There even is little bits of popcorn in here. There even is like maize flour in here, which I think gives that little bit of a scrub. And there is some oil in here, so it really feels hydrated my skin after I've used this. I'm in love, and especially the cookie dough smell. I just want to eat this when I'm using it, but I don't think I should. So yeah, that is that one. I'm about here right now, and I want to finish this off sooner rather than later, because the Lush products, they are kind of fresh products, so they don't last too long before they turn bad. So I want to make sure I finish this one off soon. Another Lush product that I have in here is this Bunny Moon, and this is a jelly face mask, and I love the consistency of this because I don't know how well you guys will be able to see when I kind of move this around. It is a full-on jelly. It just bounces when you touch it, and I love that. So I've already used quite a bit of this. As you can see, I've only got this part left. Also for this one, I'm not gonna mark it, but we're just gonna put comparison pictures or something next to each other. It's a really nice face mask. I've been using it a fair bit already. It's moisturizing, and that is what I kind of bought it for. Although I did realize I just went skiing for a week, and my skin is really dry just because the air is completely different over there than it would be here. And I just have extremely dry skin around my eyes and around my nose at the moment. I put this on yesterday evening, and it is powerful enough for me to feel that little bit of moisturized boost, I guess, when I normally use it, but it definitely is not strong enough to do something about all the dryness around my eyes at the moment. So yeah, it's just a nice mask, but it is not heavy duty by any means. Yeah, that is that one. And then lastly, I've got a body lotion from the Body Shop, and this one is in Peppermint Candy Cane. Yes, this clearly is from their Christmas collection. I bought this around last Christmas time, and I haven't really been using it because of the peppermint that's in here. I realized that the peppermint kind of gives you that tingly cold feeling, but because it's a body lotion you feel that all over your skin, which in summer I can really imagine that would be nice, but in winter I want to feel warm, I don't want to feel cold. So I think this is a perfect time to kind of start using it a little bit more because spring has sprung, and yeah, I might want a little bit of a cool down every now and then, so I'm gonna try and make some progress on this one. Right now I am right around here, so I've still got quite a way to go, but that's fine. I'm gonna enjoy this one because I do love the smell. It's just that tingly feeling is not really a winter feeling for me. Yeah, and those are the 5 products that I'm gonna be working on for now. Oh, and before I forget, I'm planning to do monthly updates on this one. Once I finish something off, I will be rolling something else in. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you guys are looking forward to following along on this project, and see you next time. Bye bye.